Welcome! Let's jump into this explainer and crack a literally impossible atomic paradox.
Protons are positive, right? So they should totally repel each other and blow the nucleus apart.
So let's trace the wild, decades-long detective work physicists used to actually solve this mystery.
Heisenberg first thought bouncing electrons glued it all together, but honestly, the math just didn't work.
Yeah, his calculations showed the force was too weak by a mind-blowing factor of 10 to the 14th. Then, Hideki Yukawa had a massive breakthrough. He proposed brand new particles called mesons, specifically the pion.
He pictured nucleons constantly shooting and catching these pions, kind of like kids rapidly passing basketballs.
Now, if they throw the balls, they get pushed backward. That perfectly mimics a repulsive force.
But wait, if they snatch the balls from each other's hands, it acts like an attractive force.
This clever dual action explains why nucleons stick together without just collapsing into one giant blob.
But hold on, emitting a heavy particle without losing mass totally violates the conservation of energy.
Well, the answer is the uncertainty principle. It gives us a fascinating loophole in physics.
Basically, you can borrow energy to pop a pion into existence if it's reabsorbed insanely fast.
Fast forward to today, and we get one final brilliant plot twist to this whole story.
Turns out, nucleons aren't solid. They're actually made of tinier quarks that carry different color charges. These quarks trade massless little particles called gluons. That interaction creates the true, underlying strong force.
Since protons and neutrons are naturally color neutral on the outside, they can't swap single gluons directly.
Instead, they exchange clusters of gluons. Because these clusters have mass, the nuclear force stays strictly short range. So this leftover echo is actually the very force that powers stars and builds our entire universe.
Are nature's deepest forces just particles playing high-speed catch? Makes you wonder what other cosmic mysteries